We are the Sky Soldiers out of Atlanta, Georgia. As our aircraft begin to get into position, let me describe to you the aircraft participating in our program tonight. Our AH-1F Cobra as attack helicopter will be known as Cobra 33, and our two UH-1 Huey troop transports will be known as Lift 21 and Lift 22. Now we're going to take you back in time to that place, 1968 in South Vietnam, to reenact a mission that occurred daily during the Vietnam War. The U.S. forces in support of the South Vietnamese Army are performing a variety of missions. One of these missions in this summer of '68 is to insert a reconnaissance team deep into the jungle to obtain intelligence on the strength and disposition of the Viet Cong forces in the area of operation. Tonight we have two UH-1 helicopters that are airborne transporting a recon team to an insertion point in the Central Highlands. Their escort is one AHF Cobra attack helicopters whose mission is to provide fire support for the Hueys.
A little bigger version of that.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you look up, you'll see a Cobra gun team consisting of one AH-1 circling high overhead of the intended point of insertion for the recon team's landing zone. Once Cobra 33 is located the landing zone, he will descend to check out the LZ to see if there's any activity in the area of insertion. This was a technique that was used fairly frequently in Vietnam to see if the Cobra gun team could draw any enemy fire if there was any enemy in the area of the operation. And depending on the availability of the aircraft for that day's mission, they might use one Cobra flying low over the area while his teammate and another Cobra remain high overhead in the overwatch, ready to back up the Cobra making a low-level recon. Today we only have one AH-1F Cobra available for the mission.
Oh, I met you. Come on, baby. Before I am free. I wanna be yours, pretty baby. Yours and yours alone. Let me tell you, honey.
As we mentioned, he is trying to draw fire from the enemy to see if the area is clear before we bring in the reconnaissance team. Runs on the enemy. He is using his 2.75-inch rockets and 20mm cannon to suppress the enemy. For you helicopter buffs, the Cobra we're using today is an AH-1F model that was developed for the Cold War. It was the flat plate canopy and also carried two missiles. The F model's father was the AH-1G helicopter that was introduced in Vietnam in 1967. It had a rounded canopy, 7.62 millimeter machine gun, 40mm grenade launchers, better known as a chunker, of 2.75-inch rockets.